Automation and robotics is just one piece of the advanced computing landscape making its way into the manufacturing process. And where AI is showing up, it's often a lot more subtle.
So we're here at our line 21 extrusion line, and we've integrated our Augury AI solution. This is our Augury endpoint.
At this Fiberon composite decking plant in North Carolina, an AI-enabled device made by a company called Augury helps predict when the machines might break down. Fiberon says the device has repeatedly protected them from costly surprise maintenance.
Without the sensors, we can have an unexpected failure in the process. They can occur on the weekend. They can cause unplanned downtime.
Sar Yoskovitz is Augury's co-founder and CEO.
We have our own sensors that we physically install on the machines, which measure the vibration of the machine, the temperature, the magnetic emissions of a motor, and then we apply very sophisticated algorithms in order to tell you exactly what's wrong and also what you need to do in order to fix it. The best example I can give is when you drive your car, sometimes you can hear the fan belt is squeaking, and you know that you need to replace it or tighten it. So different malfunctions have very unique patterns that we learn how to recognize. Today we use very sophisticated algorithms all the way from deep neural networks through reinforcement learning, all the way now to transformers and the more modern generative AI solutions in order to not just tell you something is wrong, but also help guide the technician in exactly what they need to do in order to fix the issues.
Yoskovitz prefers to see these tools as not a job eliminator, but a job creator.
One of the questions we always get from people on the production lines is the computer coming in to replace me? And in fact, the goal is not to replace people, it's to arm them with new tools, more modern tools. Instead of looking at all of their thousands of machines every day, now they can focus on the 5 or 10 machines that actually need their attention. It's hard to overstate the challenges that manufacturing executives and manufacturing companies are facing today. On one hand, they're trying to meet the ever-shifting consumer demands. On the other, they're facing increased tension and pressure over geopolitical issues, growing supply chain resiliency problems, and an aging workforce. So the talent shortage is actually the biggest challenge that we're hearing from our partners and customers.